Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make sweet and sour fish sauce. So come along with me and let's do this together. The fish are already washed, clean, and I put salt, I rub salt on them. So I'll be frying them in the oil. This is a very quick and delicious recipe. Our fish is ready. Now we'll be frying the onions and garlic. My oil is ready. Garlic. You don't need too much oil. The ginger, our carrots, just stirring, some onion, add 2 cups of water. And you cover for about 3 to 5 minutes. Let's check. I'm going to add the peppers, green pepper and the red pepper, salt, soy sauce, brown sugar. You can use white sugar, tomato ketchup, vinegar. We'll cover it, allow it to simmer again for 3 minutes. You can see the consistency. So now what we're going to do, let's add our cornstarch with water, and this will serve as a thickener. I prefer using cornstarch rather than plain flour because cornstarch is lighter. See it changing already. Now we have to immerse our, let it soak in the sauce, our fish. Cover it with the sauce. Now on the very low heat, we're going to allow this to simmer, just for the fish to be able to soak in the sauce. And our sweet and sour fish sauce is ready. Dinner is served. Oh, this is nice. The fish. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring, and as you explore you discover, and as you discover you enjoy a lot. Like today we have discovered that we can actually make sweet and sour sauce in our kitchen, and by adding the fish to it, the fried fish to it, that was a die for. And when I was having it with the rice, just tasting it for you guys, it was so super delicious. So you have to try this recipe. Before I go and enjoy it in full force, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, leave your comment in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed, please do by pressing on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new video. Till next time, bye.